This is going to go into how to automate your bird bath. The bird bath is filling sort of fast, but I want to clean the bowl. I have it set to run for 5 minutes. The bird bath received a new 18-inch laptop because the cement top had leaked. I put a stone in the middle for a bird landing. I used an old pipe from a gutter cleaner to go from the hose to the edge of the bath. A regular plumber PVC pipe would work for the hook. To sturdy the hose, I used a steel stake and 2 hose clamps. I was able to hide the hose behind the river rock, and I'm going over to where the water feed is. I used a 2-way faucet splitter with a water control lever on each off faucet. The Orbit 1 outlet watering timer is sold for lawn irrigation. The Orbit unit sets start time, how long, and how often. The timer documentation on how to do all that setting is very good. Like the Orbit unit starts the time, how long, and how often. Good luck to you should you decide to automate your bird bath.